All will see how great and how great is our God. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here. This is going to be a short, quick, simple video. PianoMeditation.com. This is key of C, how great is our God. And I have another video in the key of D flat, which is the original key, shows all kinds of sweet tricks and different stuff. So if you want to check out that one, you can find the link or just search it. This video, I'm going to use the cheat sheets and just show you a very fast, simple way to play How Great is Our God. Cheat sheets are below. Just click on email list and it'll show you different chords and whatnot that are great to use for worship and a lot of different types of piano. Free little thing. You just get signed up for the email list. You can also vote for new songs once you're on the list. I'll send out the message when it's time to vote. So in the key of C, the little intro, you're going to have your hand here, C, E, G, and I want you to go da, 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 da. All right, that's going to be your intro. Da, 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 3, 4. Da, 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 3, 4. And that's what they do on guitar. So this is the way you can play it with the piano. And make sure you have your hands curved like this when I do these things. That's just so you can see what I'm doing a little better. 3, 4. Now when we get into the verse, we're going to play a C chord, regular C chord. And actually, let's play it up here, C, E, G. And again, you can find these in the cheat sheets. So you're going to play the splendor of the King. 2, 3. When we go to an A minor, you're now going to move up here, A, C, E. You might be wondering, how come you just didn't jump down here? Because what I'm showing you is going to sound better, and it's still simple. So I don't want you really jumping around the piano like that because it just doesn't sound that good. And this is simple enough. You just move pinky up there. You still have the same notes. It's an A minor chord. Clothed in majesty. A's in the bass. Let all the earth rejoice. And now all we got to move to is here for our F chord. Joys. Let all the earth rejoice. Use your sustain pedal as you're playing the same chord and then let it up and down as you move chords. He wraps himself in light. To our A minor now. And darkness tries to hide. And trembles at his voice. Trembles at his voice. Now we're to the chorus. And how great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. All will see how great and how great is our God. And now we've played through all the chords that you will need. So the important thing as you're working through this is, seriously, close your eyes, move between these from the C to the A minor, to the F, to the G, back to the C. Just practice going in between those in that order. And then you'll be able to play the song without looking down at the piano. You can just look at your lyric sheet or you can just play it by memory. And it's pretty much the same thing throughout the song besides the verses don't have the G in there, but the chorus and the bridge do have the G. So just get that down. Let's sing the bridge since we were already sang through a verse and a chorus. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Name above all names, worthy of all praise, and my heart will sing how great is our God. See what I mean? Okay, now here's a little bonus for you. A couple things you can add in on the C chord. Add in this note. Make it a C2 or a C add 9. You don't have to worry about that. Just do what I'm showing you. When you play the A minor chord, add in this note. Makes it A minor 7. On the F chord, just leave this note in. And when you play the G chord, move your thumb down here. All right, so you might want to stop and write these down. But here is what it will sound like when you implement that. How great is our God. Already sounds fuller. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. That's simple. One little note, and all of a sudden the sound gets bigger and bigger. All right, so keeping it simple, we're going to leave it at that. How great is our God? Key of C. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. Make sure and get you some cheat sheets so you can see chord combinations and other going pro stuff. Just click on the email list below and you can get that. Subscribe. We will see you later. God bless you. Keep learning. We will see you later. Bye-bye.